Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Philip Sayce's Alchemy. We will dive into the core elements that make this song so captivating. You will learn specific licks, understand the underlying chord changes, and explore the gear that shapes his iconic sound. This lesson will help you unlock new blues rock techniques and enhance your overall guitar playing. Get ready to elevate your musical journey. Let's explore some essential licks from Alchemy. Many of these licks are played over an E minor chord, often featuring a jazzy major second note. One lick starts on the 17th fret of the B string, followed by the 15th fret on the high E string. Another involves a prebend on the 10th fret of the B string, then pulling off to the 8th. Remember to use expressive bends and vibrato to add soul to your playing. Understanding the chord progression is crucial for Alchemy. The main progression often features E minor, D, C, and B chords, repeated twice. The guitar is frequently tuned down to E flat, which gives the song a distinct feel. The chorus then shifts to C, D, E minor, F sharp minor, and G. Practicing these changes with a backing track or looper pedal will solidify your rhythm and timing. To capture the authentic Alchemy tone, consider Philip Sayce's gear choices. He often uses a Fender Stratocaster, which is fundamental to his sound. A tube screamer pedal, like an Ibanez TS-808 or TS-9, provides his signature overdrive and maintains clarity. Additionally, a wah pedal, such as a Vox Clyde McCoy, adds expressive textures. Fuzz pedals, including the Aux Fuzz or a Cesar Diaz Texas Square Face, are also key to his unique sonic palette.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.